Why am I getting calls about you?
Did you ask them?
Yeah, but I'm asking you.
Did I call you? You want to give me a ticket?
Yeah, I want you to get out of the car. Anything in your pockets?
Please give me a lawyer.
That's not what I asked. Now you're under arrest.
Perfect. Give me a female officer.
2-3, if we have a female officer, she's requesting one.
Female officer!
Stop.
Right now! Female officer! Right now!
23 will be at
Give me a
Silver
female
Larch.
officer! Right
Sand
now!
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Shortly after noon on June 3rd, 2023, Colorado Springs police officer Gregory Campbell responded to a neighborhood dispute on the outskirts of the city without wearing a seatbelt.
There.
Upon arrival, Officer Campbell spoke with the complainant, who alleged that on previous occasions, their neighbor's dog had gotten off its leash and charged at them.
There was a few times that their dogs got off the leash and came running, charged her.
The complainant also stated that the dog had frightened their child by running toward him.
We're not gonna have this dog attacking our kid, so we called like the Humane Society, we called the HOA and all that, which makes sense. You know? So I'm assuming that they got either a bill, like a fine, maybe something, and now they're retaliating against us. I don't know.
Since reporting the incident to animal control, the couple alleges that their neighbor retaliated by filing a complaint about their camper violating HOA regulations, yelling at them from the sidewalk while wearing a security uniform, repeatedly honking her horn while driving past their home, and sitting in her vehicle outside their residence for extended periods.
We tried to hook up the camper, and as we're doing that, she's in that car there, the Kia. She's hopping in and out, screaming at us, "Toe the line, motherfuckers."
She's like, "Toe the line, motherfuckers."
Humanly possible, other obscenities. Got the camper in our driveway, left for a few hours, came back, did our project, got it out of here. And then today, she's been sitting in that car watching us.
For hours.
She's been walking back and forth in front of the house. She's been driving by, blaring her horn,
And I have
going around
videos
the
and
block. We
pictures
have
of all
videos and
this.
pictures of all that. And
She's like walking in front
She
of
says
her
her
house, like
lawyer
trying
is
to
gonna try
trigger
to
our
find us?
ring and like say shit to us and stuff, which I have video of if you want to see all that. But
Is she like saying anything?
her
She said
lawyer's
something like-
looking for us, and she can't wait till her
She was
lawyer
like,
gets
yeah.
our asses or something
She's
like
like,
that.
"You
Good luck
to
with
my
that."
lawyer, like bust your asses or something." I'm like, "What the fuck? We didn't fucking do anything. We called on your dog that was off its leash. That's
If
the only
that's
thing
even
we
what the
did."
issue is, I don't
Like,
know.
I don't know if that's even what triggered her, but she's like
Okay.
off her fucking rock.
Let me get your guys' info, and then essentially I'll advise you the same thing I'm going to tell her is
Yeah,
don't go over there.
yeah,
And
we never do.
Officer Campbell advised the couple to petition the court for a protection order and to continue reporting the neighbor to their HOA. In response, the man asked the officer to intimidate the neighbor in an effort to stop the ongoing behavior.
I guess my main thing was I just wanted to get someone out here to like hopefully like intimidate her a little bit. Like, look, we're not afraid
I'll
to
have
call the
that
cops.
conversation with her
Yeah,
for sure.
Because it's like I want to be able to walk my dog and like have my family
Yeah.
outside, not have her like stalking us. You know, she's
Sure.
like going around the block like 5 different times in
And
the
the
last
honking
hour.
of the horn, I just
After obtaining their identifying information, the couple admitted to discouraging others online from using the neighbor as a real estate agent, as a form of retaliation for her alleged behavior.
Before you go over there, I will let you know, last night on a mom's group on Facebook, I had posted like, "This is my neighbor, this is what happened, she's a real estate agent, would recommend not using." It got
Fair enough.
taken off Facebook already, the admins gave me a warning.
Okay.
I was like, okay, I
Yeah.
posted nothing nasty. So if that's what she's upset about too, then please let her lawyers come talk to me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like that's
right.
not gonna go well. Probably.
And if she tries to go the interfering with business thing, no, that's not
Yeah.
how that works.
Yeah, anyway, I appreciate
Yep.
it, officer.
Yep, you take care.
Officer Campbell then approached the neighbor's vehicle, where she had been lawfully parked, quietly recording the interaction.
Hello.
Hello?
What's your name?
Jessica?
Jessica? Okay. What's going on?
What do you mean?
Why am I getting calls about you?
Because my neighbors are fucking crazy?
Okay. What's going on today, though?
What do you mean?
Why are we getting phone calls?
Did you ask them?
Yeah,
I
but
didn't
I'm
call
asking
you. Did
you.
I call you?
Okay. What's with all the White Claw?
What do you mean?
Alcoholic beverages that are open and you're in a motor vehicle with the keys in the ignition?
You want to give me a ticket?
Yeah, I want you to get out of the car.
Okay.
In Colorado, it is unlawful to knowingly possess an open container of alcohol in the passenger area of a vehicle. You don't have to be consuming it, Just possession is enough to be in violation of a Class A traffic infraction, a $66 fine. While an open container alone does not establish probable cause for DUI, it may provide reasonable suspicion to justify further investigation. As such, Officer Campbell requests backup.
2-3, send me another.
He then orders Jessica out of her vehicle, to which she immediately complies.
Face that way.
Yep.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yep.
Jessica acknowledges and complies with the orders to exit her vehicle, after which she follows commands without resistance as she is handcuffed.
Right now you're being detained for suspicion of driving under the influence, among other things. If you resist my control of you or do anything else against me, that's additional charges. Do you understand that, Jessica?
Yep.
Okay. We're gonna have a walk back to my police cruiser over here.
Got it.
Jessica is then walked to Officer Campbell's cruiser.
Postage 23, are you good for? You can 23.
Code 4, one being detained for suspicion of DUI.
Aside from exercising her right to remain silent, Jessica remains fully compliant.
Face that way for me. Do you have any weapons on you, Jessica? Anything in your pockets?
Please give me a lawyer.
That's not what I asked. Do you have anything on your
Can I get
person?
a lawyer, please?
That's not what I asked, Jessica.
Okay. Well, give me a lawyer.
When Officer Campbell attempts to conduct a pat-down for weapons, she reasonably requests that a female officer perform the search. Despite posing no threat, Campbell seizes the moment to escalate to violent force.
Well, give me a lawyer. And a female.
What's
and
this?
a female officer.
Don't
And a female
resist!
officer.
Do not resist. What did I tell you,
Give
Jessica?
me a female officer.
I'm conducting a
me
pat-down of
a
your person before
female
putting you in the back of a
officer.
police cruiser.
Give me a female
Do
officer.
not resist.
Give me a female officer right now. No. You're not going to touch me. Give me a female officer right now.
Cover code 3.
521 code 3.
Now you're under arrest.
Perfect. Give me a female officer.
Channel V code
I
1
can't
for
breathe.
76 became a red fur until
Stay on your
another
side.
United phone scene.
Give me a female officer.
Well, now I'm conducting a search incident to your arrest, Jessica.
Perfect. Give me a female officer. You're not going to touch me anymore.
2-3, if we have a female officer, she's requesting one.
Get the fuck off of me.
Do not
Give me a
resist.
female officer right now.
Do not resist.
Give me a female officer right now. Give me a female officer right now. Female officer right now.
If you don't stop resisting, I will spray you.
Female officer
Stop.
right now. You're a fucking moron. Female officer right now. I hope this is on tape. Stupid motherfucker.
I'm conducting a search incident to
Female
arrest of your high-risk
officer.
areas.
Female
As I'm
officer.
permitted to
That's
do so
all I
by
want.
law.
I don't want you to touch me. I don't want you as a male officer to fucking touch me. So give me a female officer right now. Right now.
Stop.
Give me a female officer.
Stop.
Right now. I don't fucking care. Give me a female officer. I want a female fucking officer right now.
23 will be at
Give me a
Silver
female
Larch.
officer right
Sand Lake.
now. Get the fuck off of me.
Stop resisting.
Give me a female officer right now, you sick
Sand Lake?
motherfucker. You sick motherfucker. Give me a
Silver
female
Larch and
officer
Sand
right
Lake.
now. You sick motherfucker. Give me a female officer right now.
Stop.
Give me a female officer.
Stop
you sick
resisting.
motherfucker. You sick motherfucker. Give me a female officer.
If you keep resisting,
Give me
additional
a
levels of
female
force will be used
officer,
against you,
sick
Jessica.
motherfucker. Give me a female officer, you sick 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 motherfucker. Get off of me.
Nope.
Okay, I've got several going in 21.
Stop resisting.
Give me a female fucking
Stop
officer.
resisting.
Give me a female fucking officer, you motherfucker. Give me a female fucking officer. Quit messing with me. I don't want you on top of me.
I'm not on top of you.
You Oh, this isn't you on top of me, you
This
dumb
is me
motherfucker.
controlling you, Jessica.
This isn't you on top
While
of me.
I wait for additional officers to arrive on scene.
I'm not on top of you. I'm not on top of you. I'm not on top of you. I'm not on top of you, you stupid motherfucker. This isn't you on top of me. Give me a female officer now.
2-3, let's start medical code 2 as well. The location for OC exposure.
You f***ing moron.
If you fight additional officers when they get here, that will be additional
If it's
charges.
a female officer, I won't fucking fight you, fucking bag. I want a female officer. I don't want your ass fucking on me, you stupid ass motherfucker. I want a fucking female officer. Get
Stop
off my
resisting my
fucking
control.
arm, you fucking God, you ass motherfucker. God. Colorado Springs PD fucking sucks. It takes you this long to get me a female fucking officer?
2-3, you can clear the code 1 for now. I just need units additional code 3 still.
Okay, this channel's clear code 1 for the moment.
I can't fucking breathe, you bag.
You're good, sir.
I can't fucking breathe, you bag.
Then roll to your side.
I can't fucking breathe, you bag.
You can yell just fine. Other than the pepper spray, do you have any other injuries on your person right now?
Yeah, my rib.
I'm gonna have to divert you to Union and T-Gap. I think I'm gonna have plenty on 23's call if you can start that way with Pulse 7 for that party driving the wrong direction on the wrong side of the road.
I didn't put my hands anywhere near you.
Okay.
Your niece was on my back, you bitch.
Pulse 7, you can disregard.
Can you please wipe my face with pepper spray?
Once we get medical here, they will decontaminate your face. Roll to your side and try to let that rain wash it off.
Copy.
Roll on your side, let the rain wash it off.
Yourself. I can't fucking see. You got so much fucking pepper spray in my eye, you're a fucking bag. All I did was ask for a female cop and you fucking sprayed my eyes, you
If you roll to your side, it's going to be easier for you to breathe.
yourself. Just give me a fucking female cop and I will sue your ass.
Okay.
I own 3 businesses, you dumb motherfucker.
Alright, here's the deal. I'm going to sit you up. You're going to sit in the back of my police cruiser.
Go
If you fight us, that's additional charges. Do you understand?
Go f yourself.
Then medical can come here and they can fix you. Stand up. Put your butt. Stand up.
You want to wipe my fucking nose, or I'll wipe it into your car seat? That's cool.
Have a seat in here, Jessica. Have a seat.
Will do. Where's my female cop?
On her way.
Get her done.
Minutes later, a female cop would arrive to assist with searching Jessica. She was then charged with DUI and obstruction and was taken for a blood draw. During her DUI trial in August of 2024, Officer Campbell testified that he did not throw her hard to the ground. However, on scene that day, when Campbell recounted his story, he told his supervisor the following.
She starts trying to pull away from me, so I throw her hard to the ground.
Okay.
Officer Campbell testified that he had not personally observed the blood draw on the date of the incident. This was later confirmed through his body cam footage. The problem is that Campbell signed, under penalty of perjury, a certification on the blood draw form that was sent to the Colorado Bureau of Investigation that he had personally observed the blood draw. That form was used to revoke her license, and because his body cam showed that he did not witness the blood draw, his falsified form implicated his supervisors and the district attorney's office. The judge found Officer Campbell's falsification of the blood draw certification to be a fabrication and a lie, ruling that Campbell was incredible as a matter of law. She also entered a factual finding that Officer Campbell had engaged in blatant use of excessive force against Jessica.
Is she cuffed?
Yeah.
Okay. When she gets thrown to the ground?
She still tries to wriggle out of my control.
Okay.
I get her on her side, and she's still being resistant to me.
Okay.
She tries to stand up. She's screaming for a female officer that I can't search her.
The judge also voiced concerns about the search by Officer Campbell, in spite of department policy that a female officer should be provided. She later emailed the police chief to inform him of Officer Campbell's policy violations and fabrication of the blood draw certification. During the first trial, a juror failed to show up, and the trial was rescheduled. However, due to Officer Campbell's provably falsified criminal justice record, the blood draw certification was not admissible. The judge then questioned whether the case should be dismissed on the basis that Officer Campbell's actions rose to the level of outrageous governmental conduct, but never made the final ruling. Jessica eventually entered a plea to the open container, and the remaining charges were dismissed. Jessica then filed a complaint with the department for both the excessive force and untruthfulness during her trial.
I tell her at that point she is in custody, and that I will be conducting a search incident to arrest and a search of her high-risk areas, and she continues to yell and scream that I cannot touch her and I'm her and all this other stuff.
Okay.
In April of 2025, Jessica was sent a completed copy of the final internal affairs investigation. The department found no wrongdoing, exonerating Officer Campbell for his use of the pepper spray, despite the finding of excessive force by Judge Walters, as well as the numerous jury comments about Campbell's conduct relayed into the record. But the worst part is that the department didn't investigate the claims of dishonesty and falsification of evidence. Officer Campbell was never put on the Brady list, and his post-certification remains clear to this day.
And I give her multiple warnings that I will spray her if she doesn't stop resisting. She continues to resist, so I sprayed her.
Okay.
It's 2 squirts to the face. Not super effective. I got the left eye-ish.
Okay.
Finally, Jessica filed a lawsuit in May of 2025. The suit argues that her response was a reflexive recoil to a male reaching into her hip pocket, that no reasonable interpretation of what happened could conceivably determine that Jessica was, quote, resisting control, because every time Officer Campbell removed his hand from Jessica's body, she stopped moving. It appears more likely that Officer Campbell wrote the statement in an attempt to justify his blatantly excessive use of force. At no time did Jessica attempt to escape or flee, nor did she act aggressively or say anything that could have been interpreted as threatening. In fact, other than allow a male to search her, she was completely cooperative. Officer Campbell later testified that it is actually department policy to have a female officer conduct a search of a female arrestee, but he made absolutely zero effort to even determine if a female officer was available before throwing Jessica hard to the ground.
She starts trying to pull away from me, so I throw her hard to the ground.
Okay.
Jessica is suing for excessive force, but more importantly, she seeks to have the Colorado Springs Police give notice to the Police Officers Standards and Training Board concerning Officer Campbell's untruthfulness. She also seeks a declaratory judgment that Officer Campbell knowingly made 2 false statements to seek a criminal conviction, and finally, to put his name on the official Brady list, to be disseminated in every criminal case prosecuted in the jurisdiction.
My favorite go-to now is
Right now. That's when I could hear on the radio screaming for a female officer right now. All they heard was her screaming, and him yelling, "Stop resisting."
As this lawsuit continues through the courts, I will be sure to keep you updated. But for now, let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you have a video you'd like me to review, Use the link in the video's description to submit it.